Hi, this is Amin. In this video, you will learn what is conversion tracking, what is the conversion rate, and why we should conversion tracking. So, every business has a goal. So there has some business goals that is known as a conversion. That will be newsletter, sign up, phone call, submit lead, make a purchase, or free offer. This will be conversion or goal. Okay, so normally conversion is a of your business goal. The three adword metrics you should focus on: conversion. Suppose 100 visitors visit your website and make 5 purchases, so total conversion is 5. 100 visitors visit your website and 9 sign up in your newsletter, total conversion is 9. And 100 visitors visit your website and make 8 phone call, conversion is 8. So hopefully you understand what is conversion. So conversion rate, conversion by conversion of visitors. Suppose 30 people visit your website and within 30 people make a conversion within 100 visitors, then your conversion rate is 3%. Instead of increasing your AdWords traffic, optimize and increase your conversion rate, give you higher ROI with same ad spend. So cost per conversion rate and cost per conversion. Suppose 100 visitors visit your website landing page, CPC is €1 and 30 convert, so total ad spend is €100 and cost per conversion is 100 divided 130, 030. That means 33.33 is your conversion rate, and this is also referred as CPA or cost per acquisition. So hopefully you understand what is conversion, conversion rate and cost per conversion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video I will set up how to track conversion on your Google ad. Thank you so much.